In this video, I'll guide you through how you can import product from any sites to Shopify. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To import product from any site to a Shopify store, at first you have to click on apps and then click on all recommendation apps. Now you have to click on Shopify App Store and search for Robo Product Importer apps. Once you found the app, then click on install button. Now you have to click on install button. This app offers 3 days free trial. After that period, they will cost around $6 per month. If you cancel before 3 days, then you can use this app for free of course. To go with this app, you have to click on this app button to start your free trial. Now, there are two different ways to import product from any site to your Shopify store. You can go with extension method or you can import via URL. Let's go with the both method. To import product via extension, you have to add an extension on your browser. Let's go with this method. At first, you have to click on Install Extension and click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. Once you add the extension on your browser, then click on Manage Extension and pin the extension on your Chrome profile. Now open the product page and refresh the page. Now you have to click on Robo Product Importer extension. Now you have to click on Robo Product Importer extension and click on Add to Shopify. Then the product will be added on the Shopify store. If you go with the URL method, then you have to click on Import via URL and paste the URL here and click on Import Product. Now wait for a few seconds to paste the product on the Shopify store. Then a selected URL product will be placed by the apps. Now you have to scroll down and check all the details manually. Now you have to set up the price and scroll down and click on Add Product to Shopify. Again, wait for a few seconds, then the product will be imported to Shopify store. Congratulations! By following this easy method, you can easily import a product from any site to your Shopify store.